when there is no Danny boy,
Yeah.
I have a message to reply to.
Hold on.
The message is saying, Joe, tell Dan why is he naked when there is no.
Can you repeat that because someone just sounded a horn?
Wow, I am impressed. Did you guys hear that belch? I am impressed. Huh. Okay. So one, I have returned, hold Y and run. I'm gonna do that.
That was something fierce, Crystal.
But they said, Joe, tell Dan why is he naked when there is no vacuum cam. Oh,
Who's naked and why?
face cam, woot, lol. Oh shit.
What?
I felt something vibrate and I wasn't paying attention to what was going on over there, and I was like, ah!
Okay, so what they say? Though I still win.
Alonzo says,
welcome back,
nice.
baby. Hold Y and
To
run.
me?
Tell Dan why is he naked when there is no face cam? Because I can be and it's free. So.
What? I'm so confused right now.
Why is your foot on my chair?
What kind of disrespect?
I know she's not putting her feet up on my chair and I can't lean back though.
Why are we talking about like real nakedness? Like no clothes?
They think I get naked when I don't have my face cam on stream.
Oh, okay.
As you can see, apparently people like imagining me that I'm naked.
I mean...
Please no. Thanks, Crystal.
Oh, son.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What?
Y'all reckless.
I did no
Just-
such thing.
Just straight up reckless.